fetus that has been deposited into the vagina, and then copulation occurs, and then there's going to be deposition of a sperm cell, ihambe sinyuke sekufalope tube. So lapho sithi internal what? Fertilization. Kodwa uma sikhuluma nge-external fertilization, siyethini? It's a infusion of gametes outside the female's body. Uma ngithi outside, ngibhekise kuphi kahle kahle? Ukusho ukuthi yenzeka kuphi? Emanzini. Usangizwa? Yes. The question is why water is essential. Why kumele fertilization yenzeke emanzini? Normally sikhuluma ngani? Ixoxo, it lay eggs in water, and then the male frog will come and lay sperms on the. So why do we need water in this fertilization? To allow the sperm to swim. Understand? To what? To allow the sperm cell to what? To swim. Number 2, imagine, because let the concurrently. Say it, if I was a female frog, and then I lay eggs here, and then maybe the female frog is going to come later and lay sperms. Do you think these eggs I laid here will still be in a good condition when the male frog come here? No. Also, these eggs will dry out. Yes. Understand? So the main reason also that we need water for is to prevent the gametes, not the eggs only, because the sperms can also dry out. Eh? Yes. After that has been said, kulama organisms esikhuluma ngawo, besisakhuluma nge-fertilization. Semele sikhulume ngani? Ngalokho esikubiza ngokuthi ama-reproductive strategies. Sibiza ngani? Reproductive strategies. So now, sesibuka ukuthi how do they reproduce after fertilization? How is the reproduction occurring? Usangizwa? Okay, the first one, or the first way reproducer is by means of ovipary. It is by means of what? Ovipary. They will say ovipary or they will say oviporous. Ovi means egg. It means what? Egg. So, mawubona leligama qala ngo-ovi ngo-ovo kusho ukuthi lapho khona ini iqanda. Okusho ukuthi uma sikhuluma ngama-ovipary organisms, we're talking about organisms that does what? That lay eggs. Yes. After laying eggs, what do? They incubate on eggs. They do what? They incubate on eggs. To incubate is to do what? Ufugamela. They sit on top of these eggs to provide necessary heats. Anything, Sean? Yes. They sit on the eggs in order to provide necessary heat. Mind you, these eggs were laid. As these eggs are laid, they need heat for them to develop. So, there is incubation to provide necessary heats. Now, the problem about a disadvantage. It has what? It has a disadvantage. What could be the disadvantage? Think of a chicken. A chicken lay eggs. Right? Yes. And as they lay eggs, they're not always with their eggs. Huh? Yes. So the disadvantage is you. You are the predator. Because when a chicken lay eggs, you think of breakfast. So that means that's the disadvantage, because when a chicken lay eggs, when you think, oh, today I have a breakfast. There is no chicken that was designed to provide breakfast. I'm telling you. When a chicken releases eggs, that is reproduction. Yeah. Do you understand? Yes. So the disadvantage is that eggs are exposed to what? Predators. You are the predator. You are the one who's stealing the eggs from the chicken. So it's the disadvantage for this strategy is that eggs are exposed to predator. Oh, you melumas. Uguti, as the embryo is inside the egg, where is the embryo going to feed? Yeah? So the embryo is going to feed in the egg yolk. It is going to feed in the egg yolk. Yolk sac is a membrane that contains egg yolk. So the embryo feeds on the egg yolk. So the embryo feeds on the egg yolk. Why is called an egg yolk? Because there's an egg involved. The second strategy is vivipar. What is the second strategy? Vivipar. What I want you to note or to understand is that when you see VV, I want you to think of the uterus. What are you thinking of? Uterus. Say it again. Embryo is enclosed in the mother's uterus till birth. Ingane ihlezi kuphi la? Ihlezi kuphi? Angizwa mina? If I may ask you, is there an egg involved there? Can you see the word ovi? Can you see the word ovo? That means there is no egg there. Are you with me? So the embryo is enclosed in the mother's uterus. Mind you, there's a difference between uterus and the stomach. Huh? Sometimes you find people saying, isisu is cool. Isisu sihlala ukudla, sihlala ingane. Uyanthola? Ingane ihlala esiswini. Isisu is located on your left side. Into esuke ikhukhumala yini? Uterus. So, say it though. The embryo is enclosed in the mother's uterus. Okay, njengoba lingekho iqanda, lengane ifida kwini? Fida kwini? Placenta. Embryo feeds via placenta. The embryo is feeding via what? Placenta. Central? Okay. La asina disadvantage. What is none? It's the advantage. In advantage, there is a strategy. The embryo is protected against the predators. Akumdo ate khulele bese tshontshe ingane eswini. Yes, another line. Akumdo ate ekhulelwe using the viviparous strategy bese utshontshelwe ingane esiswini. Highly impossible. So last thing, the advantage is that the embryo is protected against predators. Hamanam, what's the advantage? Embryo is protected against predators. I said ovo means what? Vivi means what? Say it in Lendo. There is an egg in the uterus. Where is the embryo? The embryo is in the egg. And where is the egg? The egg is in the uterus. Embryo is enclosed in the egg. Sounds fun? The embryo is enclosed where? In the egg. And the egg is enclosed in the uterus. Please read with me. Embryo is enclosed in the egg and the egg is enclosed in the uterus. Where is the baby going to feed? Read the statement again. Embryo is enclosed in the egg and the egg is enclosed in the uterus. Where is the baby going to feed? Egg yolk. Sound top? Feeds via. It feeds via egg yolk. It feeds via egg yolk. Okay. So what's the reproductive strategy? which is ovipary, vivipary, ovovivipary. Sekufika isikhathi sokuthi lezi ngane seziyazalwa. Fanele mase izalwa le ngane iqhubeke ne development. La sesingena kule nto esibiza ngo strategies. Sesingena with manje development strategies. Are you with me? Now sesiya develop lezi ngane. Sesibuka ukuthi zizalwa zinjani. Zizalwa zikwazi ukwenza njani. So, the first development strategy, we have precocial development and we have altricial development. We have what? Precocial development and we have what? Altricial development. Sefanele sibukeke manje ukuthi amanjani lawa azalwa in the precocial development. Anjani lawa azalwa in the altricial development. Usangizwa? Yes. Number 1. The precocial development, they are born with their eyes open. They are born with eyes open. They are born with eyes open. Ithi phuma nje esiswini isiyabona. Iyakwazi ukuzenzela into. Ithi phuma nje cha ukuthi okay fine la ngisendaweni kanje uthini uplan. Yes or not? Number 2. Born able to walk. Ithi phuma nje esiswini ibishaya indawo. Ibiphuma. Yenza njani? Ishaya indawo. Yenza into le. Number 3. Born with down feathers. Uma sithi they are born with down feathers. Bazalwa benoboya emzimbeni. You know they see iphuphu. Iphuphu linabo noboya. Huh? Yes. Do they have down feathers? Yes. They don't. So the precocial development or the precocial strategy, their offsprings are independent of parents. As soon as they're born, they're able to go and do whatever they want. Understand? The last one. The last one is that they are able to find food for themselves. You understand? So they can find food for themselves. They can search food for themselves. So they are not depending on the parents for them to find what? Food. Do you understand? Altricial is going to be the opposite of that. These ones are born with eyes open, eyes closed. Born able to walk, unable to walk. Born with down feathers, no down feathers. Independent of parents, dependent of parents. Able to find food for themselves, unable to find food for themselves. Do you understand? Yes. So it's going to be the opposites. We've been saying egg, 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 egg. But what's the type of egg we're referring to exactly? We are referring to an egg that is called amniotic egg. What is the egg? Amniotic egg. We are referring to what? Amniotic egg. There are 4 membranes in this egg. The first one is amnion. What's the first one? Amnion. Amnion. When we say amnion, we say this one acts as a shock absorber to prevent injury. It acts as a what? A shock absorber to prevent injuries. That's what I mean. The amnion is very closer to the embryo, meaning that it cushions the embryo. The amnion, it acts as a shock absorber to prevent mechanical injury. It gives this cushion function. Says what I mean. Alright. And then we go to 2 membranes. 2 membranes are allantois and chorion. What are those two membranes?
Allantois and chorion.
When you talk of allantois and chorion, both of them facilitate what do? They facilitate gases. Okusho ukuthi umsebenzi ka-allantois ukufacilitate i-gases exchange. Umsebenzi ka-chorion ukufacilitate ini i-gases exchange. Kodwa into eyenza ukuthi u-allantois ahluke u-chorion ukuthi u-allantois ubuye enza umsebenzi ohlukile of collecting waste from the embryo. Nanthwala? U-allantois ubuye enza umsebenzi ohlukile othini? Collect waste from the embryo. So when the embryo releases waste, that waste is going to be collected by allantois. What's the function that allantois shares with chorion? Huh? They facilitate gases. But what is the function that makes allantois to be different from chorion? It collects waste from the embryo. And the last one is going to be yolk sac. It's going to be yolk sac. The function of the yolk sac, it contains egg what? Yolk that provides what? Nutrients. So it contains the egg yolk, and the egg yolk provides what? Nutrients. Let me see tell me, when an organism had too much egg yolk, there is gonna be less parental care. Are you with me? Because that organism is gonna come out fully developed. You understand? But when the organism is an artificial organism or artificial development, there is gonna be more parental care. Are you with me? Because that organism is underdeveloped. Here in the parental care, it is when the parents they take care of their offsprings until they are fully developed. You understand? Yes. Parental care is that when the parent takes care of their offsprings up until they are fully developed. Let me ask you a question. As a human being, are you a precocial or an altricial? Huh? Precocial, altricial? Altricial. Yes. Okay. Why would you classify yourself under precocial and altricial when the chapter says reproduction invertebrate? Why would you classify yourself then? They show you a cracked egg, and then they show you a chicken standing in front of the egg. Okay, you can see that this chicken has down feathers. You can see that this chicken has open eyes. And then they say, give a visible reason. And then you say, able to walk. Did it walk? No. Did it walk? No. Did you see it walking? No. Is that visible? No. Able to find food for themselves. Did you see them going to find food for themselves? No. Did you see them? No. So when they say visible, talk about something that you can see in that picture. Down feathers, eyes open. Understand? You understand? Able to walk, can you see them walking? No. Independent of parents, that is